Alright, man, I'm finna show y'all boys how to get a professional sounding vocal on Bandlab by a professional. I'm not no unknown dude. We can ask Google who is the best mixing engineer. Is Manir's the best mixing engineer in the Bandlab community? Manir's is highly regarded within the Bandlab community, often referred to as a top tier mixer by users, as y'all can see. So y'all get y'all popcorn, y'all speaking to a professional. I do this for a living. This is from mixing and mastering Bandlab songs. Ain't nobody showing you this. Ain't nobody finna come on the net and show you this. I got a Spotify playlist, 2 hours of Bandlab songs I mix and master, bro. Let's work, bro. I'm finna show you how to get these vocals sounding professional. Now, I left this dude presets on here on purpose. Cause y'all talking about, oh, you're taking off the presets. Bo, I honestly, bro, like Bandlab vocals, bro, y'all vocals sound better with no preset, cause y'all don't know what y'all doing, bro. So, considering this, bro, boom, you see how he got these vocals doubled? I don't know who told y'all this, because look, he's doing this and he's duplicating. Don't duplicate the same shit. Rule number one, whoever told y'all that don't know what they talking about at all, bro. Stop duplicating your vocals. He got one pan, no. Like he even look, see he duplicating ad-libs. I think this is this is okay. Bones. This is what the track is looking like right now. I'm finna show y'all.
Can't be thinking about that shit. Let's go.
Like, and as y'all can see, bro, y'all are taking out too much lows on your vocal. Like, bro, you see how his vocal sounds screechy and all that. His vocals is too screechy, is too much high end. Y'all using the same preset as everybody else, and y'all wondering why y'all can never blow up. Cause I blow Bandlab users up left and right. I blew up 7 people in 2026. Like, come on, gang. So, boom, I'm gonna finish all the transformation. Go from this to this.
Many Hertz mixed it.
Yeah, bitch, I'm staying high, I gotta get stoned. Yeah, baby, tryna fuck me with my clothes on. I said, do you love me, girl? I gotta know. I'ma beat that pussy way I beat and roll.
Bro, y'all see that? Come on, bro, y'all learning from the best, gang. Come on, bro. Bro, come on, gang, bro. Y'all, alright, look. So let's start with the beat. Bro, always sold the beat. Always know what vibe you're going for. Know the vibe of the beat and know how that's gonna dictate how your vocals is gonna sound. So we're right here. So y'all can see, like I'm saying, like the 808s is very aggressive. You know what I'm saying? Like the last videos, the elements within the beat had reverb and it was like atmospheric. Like this ain't no atmospheric. Like this beat is kind of dry. As you can see, we got the 808s banging. The 808s kind of leading the instrument. But like this is aggressive. Like this is some WWE walkout music type stuff. That's a good ass beat. So yeah. So like I'm thinking like, bro, like this some WWE walkout music. Like you gotta be like, and here comes the WWE champion. Oh yeah, like that. I'm thinking in my head, oh yeah, I gotta get the vocal like that. So boom, like considering that's the vibe of the beat. We determine the vibe of the beat. I'm always thinking of these vocals. I'm like, bro, like I gotta get these vocals like sounding like, you know what I'm saying? Like sounding big, because the WWE superstar finna run out, so we don't want the vocals sounding thin and weak. We want the vocals sounding big and powerful. We want the vocals sounding big and powerful and kinda over top of the beat a little bit. We kinda want the vocals dry but kinda like matching the reverb within the beat. As you can see, this dude right here. His vocal is very kind of productive with the beat. Like these vocals don't sound cohesive at all. The same with the ad-libs. Like bro, like his ad-libs sound better than the lead vocals right now. I'm telling you right now. So I'm out. So I'm already on. So boom, like these vocals squeaky. Like I probably gotta cut around 10K HZ, probably 6 or 7K HZ. I probably gotta boost the lows a little bit. I probably gotta lower the actually not like we could probably keep the mids the same around 600 to 800 HZ. We could probably keep that the same. Maybe lower just a little bit to bring out the instruments within the beat. Cause as y'all can see, the instruments within the beat, they usually sit around 700 HZ to 900 HZ. Like that's where the instruments sit at in the beat. So you're gonna cut the same frequencies in the vocals, and where the vocals is prominent at within the frequency chart, you're gonna cut those within the beat. So if the vocals tend to be most prominent in the 400 to 600 range, and the 2 to 4K range. So we're gonna cut the same frequencies within the beat, while also simultaneously boosting 700. Cutting 700 to 900 HZ on the vocal. So everything got its own space. Now considering that these 808s is banging like this, we kind of want to compress the vocal a lot. Like this ain't a typical rap song, trap song, drill song. Like it's kind of in the underground scene. As y'all can see, it's a yeet type beat. As y'all can see, the 808s is banging. The 808s is flat. Like the 808s is flat at the top. So that means the 808s is very loud. So we gotta make the vocal cut through. So in terms of compression, like you probably want to get about out of all your compressors, I ain't gonna lie, like I added about 3 to 5 different. I added about 3 different compressors to this vocal chain to get this sounding like this exactly. We just gonna skip.
I wanna know about you till I was still. You can check my chain, you know these diamonds, bitch, it real. I'ma take my fucking money, fly to Rio. Bitch, watch my ego. Got him asking who got pot, like why would we know? Look at my bankroll, that's why my neck froze.
So like I won't go for a super atmospheric sound with the lead vocals. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm kind of making it matching with the beat, but having the vocals have its own sound. So as y'all can see, the auto tune is perfect on here.
Got him asking who got pot, like why would we know? Look at my bankroll, that's why my neck froze. Look,
as y'all can see, like I got the 808s, but like we not making the vocals swim in the beat here. You know what I'm saying? Like we got the like as you can see, like a wrestler is about to come out. And this music is very dark, it's very aggressive, it's very WWE theme like, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, I'm finna make the vocals kind of stay in front of the beat a little bit. I'm kind of gonna let the vocals kind of guide the song while we got the elements of the beats, or elements of the beat like in the stereo space in our head. So right here, so
got him asking who got pot, like why would we know? Look at,
not too much reverb, but enough reverb to feel the atmosphere.
Got him asking who got pot, like why would we know? Look at my bankroll.
I boosted 2 to 3K HZ, so the vocal can cut through a little bit on the compression. I kind of went with a fast attack kind of slow release type stuff. So I want the vocal to kind of lag behind the beat, while also catching them initial peaks on the attack. So I did that ratio lay. I did a I don't think I did too much ratio right here, because I kind of want the vocal to sit back too. Like I don't want the vocal to too down. So I did compress a lot, but the ratio, in terms of the ratio, I kind of wanted it to still sound natural. Like I didn't want it to sound like it was enhanced. I can't be, because the higher the ratio, the more upfront the vocals is gonna be. So considering the 808, I'm like, okay, I gotta compress this vocal heavy. I gotta compress this vocal heavy while also making it sound natural. To make it do that, you gotta have a low ratio. Gotta have a low ratio to do that. I got presets on my page that do exactly this. If you go to link in the description, I got presets on my page that do exactly that. If you go down, the King Carson preset would be perfect here. Would be perfect. Also the V's preset. Both of these presets will be perfect here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Now with the ad-libs,
got him asking who got pot, like why would we know? Look at my bankroll, that's why my neck froze. Look at my right wrist, that bitch at ice.
So like a lot of y'all would try to make the ad-lib sound different. I ain't gonna lie, like on this ad-lib track, I kind of had a similar sound. I kind of changed the compression settings just a little bit, so like it could have its own space. Of course, high passing and low passing the leave the ad-libs helps. But in terms of the EQ, I kind of only did a high shelf and low shelf to get the ad-libs in space, and I didn't make the slope too steep. So as y'all can see, like I'm saying, like I wanted one of these that sound cohesive. So like one of these sounds similar to the lead vocals, but I had a faster attack and a faster release, like a way faster release, so the vocal could sound energetic while it's sitting behind the while it's sitting behind the ad-libs. Now for this, I even had a even faster attack, even faster release, but this track is more of like a ad-lib telephony, like, you know what I'm saying, like it's more reverbish, you know what I'm saying, like it's kind of for texture.
Got him asking who got pot, like why would we know? Look at my bankroll, that's why my neck froze. Look at
You know what
my
I'm saying, like you don't,
that bitch is ice cold.
you know what I'm saying, like you don't really like hear it too
Molly
much.
in his body, you ain't pop shit, stop lying. I pop that
You know what I'm saying, like you hear that right there.
line. I pop that bitch, I'm flying. You ain't
You know what I'm
this.
saying, like it's very subtle, but that goes a long way. Like you could still hear it, you know what I'm saying, like, but you gotta be looking for it. You know what I'm saying, like my goal was to make it. My goal was to make it occupy the spaces in the back. So when we got the lead vocals in the center, we got the ad-libs kind of taking a step back. We kind of filled this the stereo width of the ad-libs too. I did widen the stereo within the ad-libs. The ad-libs is in stereo. It's not in mono. So I expanded the stereo width of the first ad-lib track right here, while keeping kind of the EQ the same to make it sound cohesive. And for this one, faster compression, faster attack, faster release, more compression, way higher ratio. This first track has a way higher ratio than this, and this track has a way higher ratio than this. This track expands beyond the stereo limit of this track. So like you would kind of hear that track, you'll kind of hear it like more on the sides. Like you really want to hear it on the front. You will hear it more on the sides. All this is its own space. I got everything on its own space. I got the lead vocals in the middle. I got the ad-libs sitting kind of a step back on the sides a little bit, but not too much. Kind of a step back, but it has a cohesive sound. And then I got this one just in the back. Just imagine somebody just shouting from the back. Boom, boom. So we got that. And to achieve that, I upped the high pass and I upped the and I lowered the low pass. Up the high pass, low the low pass. Of course, steeper slopes. Way steeper slopes. Around 500 HZ for the high pass. Around 6K HZ for the low pass.
Leave me alone, bitch. I
Look, I'm saying, like, you can see it here. You can hear it right
Nah, I can't beef about no bitch. I say just leave me alone. Bitch, I
here. You know what
hang.
I'm saying? Like you see how I got that ad-lib to the back? You know what I'm saying? Like it's not in your face like the lead vocals.
Nah, I can't beef about no bitch. I say just leave me alone. Bitch, I hang with zombies. Molly.
I also added a delay on these ones for texture as well. I didn't add a delay on this one, but I added a delay on this track right here.
Nah, I can't beef about no bitch. I say just leave me alone. Bitch, I hang with zombies. Molly in his body. You ain't pop shit, stop lying. I pop that bitch, I'm flying. You ain't this shit on my end. Little bitch, I keep denying. If you think you run in, little bitch, get dressed and try it. Yeah, bitch, I'm staying high, I gotta get stoned. Yeah, baby, tryna fuck me with my clothes on. I said, let me girl, I got
Y'all boys gotta tap in, bro. If y'all don't invest in a mix and master for me, there's something wrong with y'all, bro. You look up Bandlab mixing on Instagram and TikTok, my face pop up everywhere, bro. Like I'm really the face of this Bandlab stuff. I don't know how I'm not sponsored by Bandlab yet, but this is crazy. I'm talking about, bro, this song sounds better than your local studio, bro. Like, you can record the same type song, and I promise you, mine still gonna sound better, bro. Invest in the mix and master for me, bro. Invest in the mix and master. If you don't got the budget for a mix and master, bro, go to my page where we got lead vocal presets. I even got a mixing template for y'all. All you have to do is record your vocals directly into the session. Your mix is already done. This is pre-mix and master, bro. Like, y'all boys gotta invest. We also got preset packs. So if y'all not looking for a specific sound, y'all just looking for a specific vibe. Well, we got drill preset, but like it's for trap music, rap music, all that, and we got melodic presets. So the preset pack that fall under this song right here will be the melodic preset, gang. Y'all boys gotta tap in. We also got the Bandlab course if you want to learn how to mix on Bandlab yourself. Now, me, I don't mix on Bandlab. I mix on Logic Pro. Like, I'm just showing y'all what I did. So, like, if you want the Bandlab version of what I got, of course it's not gonna sound as crazy as mine. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you want the craziest, just invest in that mix and master. But like, we got the Bandlab course, man. I think I priced it at $12. You know what I'm saying? So like, you get the full package, man. You get the full package. It's 21 minutes long. Like, it's like three videos of me non-commentary or just me working through the Bandlab app, man. But yeah, man, like, that's how we got this song sounding crazy.
I get stoned. Yeah, baby tryna fuck me with my clothes on. I said, do you love me, girl? I gotta know.
Crazy. From this.
Bitch, I'm staying high, I get stoned. Yeah, baby tryna fuck me with my clothes on. I said, do you love me, girl? I gotta know. I'ma beat that pussy when I beat the road.
Yeah, you can just hear the difference. Like, this was obviously made on Bandlab. Like people like thinking you recorded this at the studio, got a mix and master. No, bro, this dude recorded this with Apple earbuds, gang. Just to show you how nice I am. Like, I'm really that nice. I could, bro, if you give me a clean recording, it don't matter what it is. If you record with this, as long as it's clean, bro, I'm telling you, I can have you sounding crazy.
Bitch, I'm staying high, I get stoned. Yeah, baby tryna fuck me with my clothes on. I said, do you love me, girl? I gotta know. I'ma beat that pussy when I beat the road. I said, is you gonna hold it down when I'm on the road? Bitch, I'm getting bread, you ain't got shit to show.
See that ad-lib in the back?
If you got a coat, we coming right
See him screaming in the back?
If you got a coat, we coming.
Come on, bro. Y'all boys gotta lock in. Y'all boys gotta lock in and invest, bro. I'm charging for these presets, bro, because these presets could take you, bro. These presets could make you big. My mixes and masters can make you big off one song. That my preset, bro. I done did it before 7 times already. Y'all boys gotta lock in, man. I'm giving y'all tips. Ain't nobody giving y'all, gang. Come on, bro.